Hey, welcome to Tech Talk. Today I'm going to show you a simple way to speed up your PC. And I'm going to prove it by showing the actual numbers. And you can follow along and do the same thing. And I know the command prompt looks intimidating, but don't let it scare you. It's simple, it's really easy. And I'd like to have you stick around because at the end, I'm going to show you how to automate this if it isn't already. I believe Windows 11 sets it to on. So first, let's open the administrative window. Now, there's some three ways that you can do this. Now, there's the old method, the CMD, and then you can right click, run as administrator. I'm going to show you the admin terminal, which I like to use, and you would hit Windows X and then click Terminal Admin. Notice the difference between the two. They're they're pretty much going to give you the same results. They just look a little bit different. Now, the other method to do this, you can right click and you can hit Terminal Admin from here. Right click the Start flag. Now, let's go ahead and run this command so we can see what our starting stats are. So we're going to type in Winsat, and this is another thing. It's got a nice little coloration to it. And then you're going to type the drive that you're looking to defrag, but we're not defragging at the moment. But we're going to check the C drive. So somebody typed it incorrectly. So give me a second. I typed disk. It actually Winsat disk and then minus drive and then the C and then hit enter. And you're going to see this show up. Now, what you're looking for is the sequential read and write. So I'm going to take a snapshot of this real quick using the snipping tool. So I'm just going to take a snapshot of the read write so you can see it. And I'm going to minimize that. So now down here, now I'm going to run the command to defrag this. Now, when you type defrag, we're going to type defrag space / and this is an O. This is not a 0, it's an O for optimize, and then we're going to target the drive. So if you're looking to defrag your D drive, for example, if you got multiple drives in here, I'm just going to go to this PC. And if you have multiple drives here, you can do this on another drive. So I'm going to hit defrag, and then I'm going to go ahead and hit enter. So as you can see, now we have 32.84 gigabytes that was trimmed. So now, if any of that drive space contained data already, for example, where Windows had deleted something, but actually left it there, now that 32.84 gigabytes is completely clean. There's no speed delay. If it wants to write to that, it'll write to it ASAP, speeding up the process of your computer. So let's go ahead and look at the before and after. You hit the up button, you can go back to the original Winsat disk drive and then hit it again, and we can go and see what the read write is now. So originally, the read speed before was 227.37 megabytes. So the fact that we're seeing a larger number here is excellent. So that means that the read-write speeds are going to be much, much quicker now. Anyways, let me show you um, the part that I wanted to show you. The search box, start typing defrag, and then select defrag and optimize drive. And then once it's open, you're going to see this here. Down here is where you want to check schedule optimization. Ooh, almost didn't get that one out. Scheduled optimization, and then you can change settings. You can change it to weekly, daily. You don't probably have to do it daily, but you can. It won't hurt it. It's up to you. I'm going to click OK, and that's pretty much it, my friends. Now, there's another step that you can take. If you change some of the Windows features, I can show you how to speed up your computer even more graphically, without completely damaging the view of your Windows operating system. I'm hoping to have that here at the end. But anyways, for those of you that stuck around, thank you so much for sticking around. Appreciate it. All right. Please consider hitting like and subscribe. All right. Thanks.